All right. Whoops. So here is my kitchen in Japan. We got some black vinegar from Kobe City's Chinatown. But right now what I'm doing is I found some fish heads for super cheap at a grocery store. 4 for only 100 or so yen, which is about 63 cents American. And what I'm doing is I am making a pescatarian head cheese. So basically I'm just boiling this down in some lightly salted water, lightly seasoned. That's actually a piece where the eyeball fell out. But yeah, I'm making fish head cheese. I'm basically going to separate all the bones, like this one, from the soft matter. Put it in a mold, this one right here. And I'm going to put this in sandwiches. So yeah.